Hey, I'm Hannah from A Lady Butcher. In celebration of Nose to Tail Month, I thought I'd talk to you a little bit about beef tongue and why it should absolutely be part of your daily dinner. Let's go! This is my favorite recipe. I'm really excited about this one. I love beef tongue for a lot of reasons. First of all, it's super meaty, really similar to like pulled beef, pulled brisket, that kind of thing. Really flavorsome and very filling. It's also a really cost-effective way to add meat. Beef tongue has quite a lot more flavor than, say, a steak or one of your more muscular cuts. And it also does require more time and preparation. Your only option is low and slow.